What's up, gang? We're actually in the right center of Paris, in the second arrondissement. I don't know the English words for it, but it's super tiny. Not tiny. It's super sunny, but it's really cold. That's why I have all my winter jackets and all that stuff. So I was just walking the street of Paris and I thought I would make an English vlog because you keep asking for it and I keep finding excuses to not make one. Most of my excuses are good, actually. Most of them are actually accurate. Like, I'm working, I don't have a lot of time to work on my videos and all that stuff, which all of these things are true. But we're Sunday. I'm trying to find a place where I can sit and edit this video. And while I'm walking and trying to find this place to work on my videos, I thought I would take my camera and just make an English vlog, a quick one, but I will obviously walk and talk way too much, like usual. I thought I would make this vlog to explain to you the situation, the actual situation, what I'm doing every day, where I'm working, what are my future projects for the US and all that stuff. We'll go step by step. First step or chapter or whatever will be my job. I'm working as a restaurant manager. In a restaurant company, of course. This job, actually, I got it because my sister is actually working in this company and she really helped my actual boss and her boss too to create this company. So she's really close to the boss and I got really close to the boss too, so he just got me a job like this. I'm making good money with an easy job and this is a good job, but it's a lot of problem being a manager. You know, you have to deal with a lot of problem and dumb people most of the time. So I like it, but I don't like to fight and I don't like to be rude and all that stuff. I always try to be friendly and funny and find solution, but sometimes you just have to be mean and rude to somebody as a manager. Not often, but sometimes, and that's the thing I don't like to do. So in January I'm going to learn to be a bartender for 4 weeks. I'm going into a school, a proper school, which is gonna be fun and fine and all that stuff. It's just a school. Then I'm going to enter a 5-star hotel, one of the best hotel in Paris. Basically super rich people come to visit and all the stuff, like $1 million people and all the stuff, crazy. Politician, president from other country, all the stuff. And I'm gonna be a bartender there for, I think, 4 or 5 weeks. No, month. I don't exactly know how much times, but my boss knew the boss there and he just texted him and be like, hey, I have somebody that learned to be a bartender. Can you take him for like 4 months? And then he's going back to my company and he said yes. So after this 4 or 5 months as a bartender in one of the best places in Paris, I will go back to my restaurant, to my actual restaurant company. And look, this is really famous. I think it's famous. I don't know if it's really famous. But yeah, that's cool. So that's gonna be exciting, and learning from a super selective place where you cannot make mistakes will help me to become a really good bartender really fast. And then I will go back to a normal place where I can do mistakes because I will be basically my own boss. Basically, it's not that easy, so that's gonna be exciting. For my American project, they're basically on standby right now. I'm just trying to make money, save money to be able to start again another project for the US, but this time with a lot of money and preparation. I'm not saying I'm not going back to America for vacation. That's probably gonna happen because I just think about the US like every day. So that's for the American project. It's just in standby and we're just waiting to see what happens next. And I'm just making money right now. Sorry for the sun. I know you probably don't see me that well. I can see you. I can see my camera. That's good. As much as I like my American, as much as I love my American life and as much as I dream about it, I enjoy my French life because Paris is just pretty. There's a lot of tourists, so I usually talk with some American people just randomly, like, oh, where are you from? You speak English. Oh, you're from there? Oh, that's cool. I used to live there. Blah 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 blah. I don't have a lot of battery left. I think my camera is about to die. So I leave you here and I hope you enjoyed this English vlog. I'm gonna try to record some stuff and just make a quick edit. There's gonna be another English vlog pretty soon, probably 1 per month. At least I'm gonna try because you keep asking for it. So anyway, I leave you here and I guess I'll see you later.